Are you having problems with lag spikes and low FPS in Minecraft Beta 1.7.3? Then you are at the right address, because today I'm gonna show you how you can install Optifine for that version. First, we will need to install MultiMC from the first link in the video description. Just scroll down and download the zip file for your operating system. Next, put the file somewhere like your desktop and unzip it. You can delete the original file now. Next, open the folder and start multimc.exe. Here you can select your language. Specify your Java path or leave it to default and give Minecraft some more RAM. Personally, I will give it 4 GB of memory. Click Finish. And now it's time to add a new instance to our game. We're gonna activate betas in the filter so you can see the beta versions. Scroll down and select B1.7.3. Let's download Optifine now. The link is of course also in the description. Go to the right version and select Archive Download. Now the last and the most important step. Click on Edit Instance and then on Add to Minecraft jar. Now select Optifine from your Downloads folder and click on Open. And that's it already! You can now launch Minecraft, log into your Minecraft account and play with Optifine. Look at all those options! If you enjoyed the video, you can support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Also, if you're interested in a Minecraft beta let's play, you can click on the playlist. Thank you, and bye bye.